Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix invalid SIM in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Friends, if it is showing invalid, it means you are putting your SIM in a wrong way. If you have first you have to just remove your SIM card and then put again insert into the smartphone. And if you are putting another SIM card like Geo, Vodafone, Idea or another SIM card, it will not work. You have to put only Airtel SIM to unlock this Airtel problem. As you can see, SIM not found problem. So here I am just inserting the SIM and you have to just wait for a second and then it is unlocking the Airtel exclusive and you can see it is unlocked. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.